All right, guys, we got another new pillow that was sent to us by FluffCo. This is their Hotel Comfort series, and I am super excited to crack it open and see what it is like here. So let's go ahead and see what we are working with. I am always amazed that they can fit a pillow in a box that is miniature sized, but they're able to do it, and more power to them. So let's go ahead and see here. We got the king size pillow by FluffCo. It says straight from the suppliers of luxury hotel pillows without the ridiculous markup. Same material, same manufacturing, and no ridiculous markups. So really cool stuff here with regards to it. Let's go ahead and get into it. It says the Pure Wow 95 out of 100, and hopefully we're going to add those extra 5 points by laying my head on it, and it is going to feel like a luxury. So let's go ahead and get into it. 30-day trial, which is super cool. It is allergen friendly, what it states here. Let's go ahead and bring this bad boy to life by cracking her open. I love this. King Down Alternative Pillow. Machine washable, right? How often do you see a machine washable pillow? And so far out the box, you saw that come to life. Like, that is it. But, oh, okay. This is their fluffy, luxury, down alternative king. Okay, that's what we're working with here. But let's go ahead and lay our noggin on it. Okay, out with the old. See ya. In with the new. Now, obviously, we're going to put a pillowcase on it. See if we can get this here. See how comfortable we can get. Oh, what do you think? Beth, how do I look? Do I look comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I look comfortable. I feel like my head is just sinking in. You know what's going to make this perfect? Hold on a minute. This is going to be it right here. Is it nap time yet? Can you tell the kids that FluffCo has done it again with a proper pillow? Guys, I don't know about you, but this thing is luxurious and it feels fantastic. FluffCo, check it out.